Hello, class. Today I will be presenting my project, Ynes by Christopher Rogers and Dwayne Howard. Who is Ynes? Ynes was a remarkable Mexican-American botanist, known for her groundbreaking work in plant exploration and taxonomy. Born in 1870, she began her career as a botanist in her 50s, traveling extensively throughout Latin America to collect botanical specimens. Mea's expeditions yielded over 150,000 plant specimens, many of which were previously unknown to science. Her meticulous work significantly contributed to the field of botany, leading to the contributions to scientific knowledge earned her recognition as one of the most accomplished plant collectors of her time. She remains an inspirational figure in history of botany and women in science. She's a pretty important person when it comes to plants and science. She discovered a lot. She says 150,000, right? So her early life, she didn't start working with plants and doing the plant thing until later on in life. She was in her 50s and everything. So, yeah, here we go. Ynes was born on May 24th, 1870, in Washington, D.C., to a Mexican diplomat father and an American mother. In her early life was marked by tragedy as her father died when she was young, and her mother passed away when Maya was just 9 years old. She spent much of her youth in Texas and later California, when she pursued various interests, including social work and later landscape design. It wasn't until Maya was in her 50s that she discovered her passion for botany, sparking a remarkable career that would see her become a pioneering figure in the field of plant exploration and taxonomy. Contributions to science: she discovered over 150,000 species, specimens of plant. All her documents, everything that was documented has been published, in scholar letters and things like that. A bunch of her scientific papers, There's a lot. She discovered a lot of species, so therefore a lot of species are going to be named in her honor, such as the Mimosa Maya and the Pele Maya. Botanical exploration, man. She's known for going those places that most wouldn't go, and staying out there after most went in and stopped exploring, like it says here, mountainous areas and dense jungles to collect plants, those difficult to access regions. She was going in those places, and that's what she's known for, and that's why she discovered so many botanical specimens. Here's a timeline of her. We got 1870, she was born. In the 90s, she worked at the social worker. 1808 is when she moved to San Francisco to become more involved in environmental and social issues after having a mental breakdown. She begins college at California, Berkeley, 1921. 1922, she goes on her first botany expedition to Mexico. 1925, she begins her botanical career at age 55. She was until she started her career. 1939, she discovers hundreds of new plant species. By 1940, she became a member of California Berkeley Academy of Science. In 1955, she died in Berkeley, California, leaving behind a significant legacy in the field of botany, right? So here's more about her botanical explorations. Ynes explored extensively throughout Latin America, conducting botanical expeditions in various countries, including Mexico, Peru, Ecuador, and Brazil. Her travels took her to diverse and often remote regions, from the high Andes Mountains to dense Amazonian jungles and coastal forests. Maya ventured into challenging terrains, tirelessly collecting plant specimens along rivers and tropical forests and atop mountain peaks. Her explorations were instrumental in discovering and documenting a multitude of plant species previously unknown to science, contributing scientifically to botanical knowledge and taxonomy. Maya's dedication to exploring these diverse ecosystems played a crucial role in expanding our understanding of plant biodiversity across the Americas. So like I said, she was that one that was going to push the edge. She was going to go over the ledge. She was going to stay out there. She was going to go those places no one wanted to go, but no one has been before, and that's why so much is named after her, and she's responsible for discovering so much. All right, so here we have her discoveries. All right, so the Castilla tiniflora, it's a flowering plant native to Mexico. The Cyperius mexicanus is a species of sedge found in Mexico. The Euphorbia maye, a species of spurge named in her honor. Senecio Ynes maye, a species of groundsel named after her. And Mimosa yanesa, a species of mimosa plant. And the Paye yanesiana, yanesiana. Yes, Mimosa yanesiana, Paye yanesiana, species of species of fern named after her. So yeah, you see here she different species. You know, she discovered ferns, mimosas, groundsel, sedge, spurge. You know, a flowering plant. She discovered many things and different types of plants. You know, different species of already known plants. You know, like we know ferns, and she discovered a different type of fern. Type quotes. I like this one here. It speaks volume. Nature reveals its secrets to those who seek them with patience and perseverance. Really speaks. You know, just gotta keep going, working hard, and not giving up. You know, and just be patient. You know, exploration is not just about finding new places, but about unveiling the mysteries of the natural world. I think that one pretty much says itself. It's a picture of Ynes Maya. It's one of her discoveries. Try to zoom in here. Plants of South America. So I'm guessing this was in Ecuador. This must be the Mie Soharto. You can see there. Then you got another one. I can zoom in on. Yeah. Oh my gosh. My neighbors do too much. And those are sources. And the end. Y'all have a nice night.